I've got one or two things to say. You're all individuals. You're all different. You all got to work it out for yourselves.
Well, as Paul Hogan used to say, good evening, viewers, and thank you to those people who commented on my last video. A brief word from me and my subscribers, thank you very much. And I'm pleased to see that the consensus is really to continue on in my raw, maybe proactive manner, would be probably the best way to say it. So I certainly am glad to hear that you people prefer to hear the rawness of it. I mean, I'm not an angry driver. I am not an aggressive driver, so let's get that out there for the snowflakes and those that say I'm just a bloody whinger, because you don't bother me. The haters be haters, and that's fine, but I'm so happy with the support that I'm getting from my subscribers, so thank you very much. So yes, I will continue on doing it just the way that I've done it, and the only time I ever actually go off, and the only time I ever actually swear in my life, is when dickheads on the road, for want of a better word, do what they do. So I guess that's the reasoning. So thank you for everyone who supports and the comments, and I especially appreciate the comments on keep that up, because these are the dickheads that kill people on the roads, and you're absolutely right. If they don't kill themselves, they do kill innocent people on the road. You know, so if you drive stupidly and act like a moron, then you deserve what you get. As far as I'm considered, as far as I can say, if I drove like a dickhead or a wanker and I was caught out on somebody's camera, I would deserve the serve that I got. So you know, I hope that I never ever do. But you know, I'm human too. I might make a mistake. And certainly some of these people may not actually be driving like dickheads, they just might make a mistake. Okay, you can be forgiven once for a mistake. Just don't do it again. Anyway, thanks guys, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Give me comments back again on this. And I love the comments. Keep them coming, the feedback. Thank you very much. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you.